Hi everyone, I am Mrs. B. Vijayalakshmi, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. In this video, we are going to discuss about the literals in Python programming. What is literals? A literal is a sequence of one or more characters that stands for itself. Literals often referred to as constant values that have a fixed value. Python allows several kinds of literals. In this video, we are going to discuss about the numeric literals and string literals. Numeric literals. A numeric literal containing only the digits with a signed character. Commas are never used in numeric literals. There are three types of numerical literals: integers, floating point, and complex numbers. Integers holds positive or negative whole numbers with no decimal points. Floating point consists of fractional parts. Complex numbers holds the value of both real and imaginary. Limits of range in floating point representation. There is no limit to the size of an integer that can be represented in Python. For floating point values, Python providing a range of 10 to the power of minus 308 to 10 to the power of plus 308 with 16 to 17 digits of precision. Limitations of floating point representation. Arithmetic overflow problem. If we are trying to multiply two long floating point integers, we get the result as INF, that is infinity. Next one is arithmetic underflow problem. This problem occurs in division. If the denominator is larger than the numerator, then it will result in 0. Limits of precision in floating point representation. Laws of precision problem. This problem also occurs in division. If the numerator divided by the denominator, then if the result is never ending, this laws of precision problem will occur. String literals. We can represent the string either in single quotes or double quotes. Triple quote is used to represent the multi-line string. That is, to represent the string in more than one line, we have to use the triple quote. Number formatting. The built-in format function can be used to produce a value containing a specific number of decimal places. The syntax is format of value comma format specifier, where value is the value to be displayed and format specifier contains specific number of decimal places. In this example, using the format specifier, the output value rounds the result to 2 decimal places. String formatting. A built-in format function can be used to control how the strings are to be displayed in the screen. Formatting options can be left, right, and center justification. The default formatting is left justification. For left alignment, we have to use less than symbol. For right alignment, we have to use greater than symbol. For center alignment, we have to use cap symbol. Example for string formatting. To produce the string hello in left justification in a field of 20 characters. Here, the 20 represents the total length of the string. The space is justified on left and the text will be on right. For right justification, the space is justified on right and the text will be on left. For center alignment, the spaces are equally justified on both sides. Escape sequences in Python. To print the special characters in the screen, we use the escape sequence. The backslash character serves as the escape character in Python. Example, print hello /n Jennifer Smith. The /n represents the new line. So the output was hello, and in the new line it will print the next name Jennifer Smith. If you want to print the special character single quote, before the single quote we have to use a backslash character. If you are not represent the backslash before the special character, it will show an error. Thank you for listening.